pearl. There are many miracles in the spacious and deep sea. In the depths of this sea, there are many secrets we don't know. Under the waves, many living organisms live between coral reefs and kelp forests. There is a wealth with an uneven beauty hidden, the same pearl. These pearls are born in the depths of the sea and the wonderful gifts of nature. For centuries, these bright gems have attracted humanity. The history of pearls has a special place in man culture. Their wonderful beauty, the attraction of the fashioned them has turned them into a symbol of sanctity, wisdom and eternal love. Pearls make the mind happy. But how does this wealth arise from the depths of the sea? To find out the answer to this question, we must travel into the depths of the sea. Pearling is a charming process, proof of the artistry of nature. It is an excellent creation of nature, an excellent process that happens in the depths of the sea. A small sand particles or a parasite, although it is very small, it begins a great change. This begins when entering the mollusk's campaign like an oyster or mussel. When this small cell enters the mollusk, it triggers a protective action. To protect itself, the mollusk is a part of a process that secretes the layers of the material called nacre around the frustration object. It is also known as mother of pearl. This material is shiny and beautiful. The layer on the layer, the nacre accumulates over time. It lasts for a long time, eventually forming a shiny pearl. This process can last for years. Natural pearls that are completely randomly formed are rare. These are very difficult to find in the depths of the sea. Today, most of the pearls we see are pearls that are cultivated. These are specially raised. As a result of these pearls' human intervention, a bead is carefully fitted into the mollusk to stimulate the nacre product. Through this procedure, the pearls form faster and evenly. Pearl cultivation is a gentle and laborious profession. This requires a deeper understanding of patience, expertise and sea atmosphere. Farmers carefully choose healthy mollusks, and the beads are placed very carefully, placed in the right place for nacre deposition. After that, the mollusks were placed in protected bales or ponds. There they are raised and monitored for years. Once the pearls reach maturity, they are carefully planted. This process is done with a lot of attention because each pearl is worth it. In this process, the mollusks are slowly opened and the valuable gems inside are taken. Each gem is unique. It is important to preserve its brightness and quality. The pearls are then cleaned and classified based on their size, shape, lightning and surface quality. Each pearl in this classification process is his uniqueness. Only the best pearls reach the jewelry work. These pearls are examined by the most skilled. Skilled artists turn these raw pearls into amazing ornaments. Each jewel is a masterpiece. They are very carefully pierced and fitted with precious metals such as gold and silver. Each pearl in this process becomes more beautiful. Each pearl is unique, and its beauty improves the artistry of the sculptor. These pearls become jewelry and enhance their beauty. While pearl cultivation provides a stable alternative without declining natural pearls, it has no challenges. Pollution, Climate change and spread of diseases destroys pearls, wiping out the hardship of years. Pearls of pearls must constantly adapt to this developing threat. They need to use innovative techniques to protect their livelihood and sensitive ecosystems they rely on. From the depths of the sea to the exhibition of jewelry, the journey of pearls is a testament to the ingenuity of nature and humanity. These light gems born from the sea. They continue to attract us with their attraction. Whether or not a queen is crowned or in a common city around a woman's neck, pearls are a symbol of beauty, sanctity and eternal beauty.